Hello everyone, welcome to learn SAP FICO. Friends, today we will learn about accounts payable configurations. What is accounts payable? In SAP FI, accounts payable is used to manage and record accounting data for all the vendors. All invoices and deliveries are managed as per vendor request. Payables are managed as per the payment program. Sundry creditors, trade payables are known as accounts payables. Trade payables will be created as GL in SAP through the T code FS00. During creation of this GL, we select K vendor in reconciliation account field. Sundry creditors and sundry debtors account are known as reconciliation account. Direct postings are not possible in reconciliation account. Entry will be posted through subledgers and individual vendors are known as subledgers. Vendor account will be created through FK01 or XK01. For each vendor, we create separate account. That account is known as vendor master data. A company which use material management, they create the vendor master data under the T code XK01. And the company which don't use material management, so they use FK01 to create vendor master data. For each employee, we create separate vendor account. For example, material or services is purchased, so the entry will be material or services account debit to vendor account. It reflects at the two places. First is in individual account and another is in reconciliation account. Now friends, we will create some ledgers, journal ledgers under the T code FS00. Run the T code FS00 /n FS00. Here now we need to create some GLs. First of all, we will select the GL account number. Open new session, OBD4. Under this, we will create, click on position. Here, select the company code or chart of account, Tata. Now, under this current liabilities group, from this number we will copy and come to FS00 screen. Here we will click on create and paste that number and create. Now, journal account number is mentioned, company code is mentioned. Now we will select the account group, current liabilities, and select balance sheet account type. Here we will give short description. Raw material vendors. Here we will give long description. Raw material vendor account. Now select control data. Under this we will select here reconciliation account for account type. Here we will select vendors and click on line item display and select the sort key 001. Click on create bank and interest. Here we will select the field status group G067 for reconciliation account, or you can press F4 key to series. G067 for reconciliation account. Now click on save. Like this, you have to create vendor for service vendor also. So we will just select it and copy and change the GL number 1. So now it has copied, GL account number has changed. So we need to change the only description. In place of raw material, we will just mention service vendor. Account. Here also we will just change the long text service vendor account. Now rest all the settings has saved and click on save. Now we'll get back to the presentation. Step 1 we have completed, and step 2, define account group for screen layout under the T code OBD3. Here we will run the T code OBD3. Here we will create some vendor account groups. Click on new entries. Here we will give name for vendor account group TARV. TARV means raw material vendor for Tata. Here click on this company code data under field status. Click on account management. Here we can set the fields for your vendor invoice. Which fields you want to suppress, which fields you want to keep in required, and which fields you want to optional. So here we can select it. Click on reconciliation account as mandatory or required entry. Then save. Continue. Now data was saved. We'll get back. Now next step is account groups we have created now. Accounts group is used to segregate the vendor. We create account groups, vendor account groups to segregate the vendors. Now vendor account group control two things. First is it controls the number series of vendor master data, and second is field status of vendor master data, as we have done. Now next step is to create number ranges for the vendor account under the T code XKN1. Now we have to create vendor account number ranges XKN1. Click on new click on intervals, edit intervals. Here we will click on this insert line, then we will give a number range and select the code for 2-digit T2 from 8 0 802 0 0 0 0 802 999. Will give as per your requirement. Then save. Continue. Data was saved. We'll get back. Now next step is assign number range to vendor account group under the T code OBAS. Now we will assign number ranges /n and write OBAS. Enter. Here we will click on this position button. Now give account group which we have created now TARV. Here we will assign the number range which we have created now T2. Then click on save. Continue. Data was saved. Now we will get back. Now next step is define tolerance for customer and vendors. It is mandatory step under the T code OBA3. OBA3. Click on new entries. Here we will give company code Tata. Then we will give the permitted amount, payment amount differences or specification for clearing transactions. If as per your company requirements, as per your client requirements, you have to give the limits. I am giving here 1% in gain and 1% in loss. Then click on save.